Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting. We are doing the 21 outfits video. Check it out. We didn't quite get to 21, but we tried our best. There's a lot of really great looks in this video. It's gonna be really fun. I can't wait for you guys to see. I got this idea from watching Emma Chamberlain and Devin Carlson's video, so I took my little try at it. And we have a new Steele collection coming out for spring. I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up, but it should be out by now. So make sure you check it out. I show some of the pieces in this video and you know, you can kind of see it here. So it's really cool. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So for this outfit, I'm obsessed with it and I'm so excited I get to use it in this video because it's so dramatic. I wore it twice and I felt like I couldn't wear it more because it's just such a look and like very noticeable, but I'm showing you guys because I'm obsessed with it. Actually, let's accessorize first. I'm gonna just throw these sunglasses on, my little bag. This top that I'm wearing, it's from Iguana. It's a really cool, awesome thrift store. Two, I think I know of in LA. Go check it out for sure. I paired it with these pants. These are just Dickies, and I got them from an army surplus store. Those are also really cool places to get clothes from. And then I paired it with these off-white Jordan Dunks. The shoe kind of inspired the whole look. You know, as you can tell, it just flows. I think my bag is from Mansur Gavriel. But it's just a white bag. It'd be cuter if it was a little Telfar bag, but it's really versatile because it has a bow too. It could be girly, it could be streetwear. These sunglasses are from ASOS. I'll probably put all this stuff in the description. So this is my kind of like sporty, casual, cool, showing up, showing out. I tried, but I like, did I? I don't know. So, big fan. This outfit was a kind of chilly night. I wore this on. I'm just obsessed with these neutral tones and the textures and everything that's like contrasting, but still neutral at the same time. So these pants are from Revice Denim. They're like velvety. My shoes are these boots from Alohas, which are just major. I wanted to wear like kind of a more bootcut pant, so I could wear these and tie in the brown up here. For my top, this is the Lita top from Steele, and then underneath it, I'm wearing the Vada bralette from Steele as well. I just buttoned that all the way up, and then I have this cardigan from Comme Garcon. Fancy. I got it from Wasteland, which is another consignment thrift store. I liked the outfit without the coat, but it was cold, so I put this coat on top of it just that I could take off like when I got to dinner. This coat is actually my roommate Isabella's, and I think she's had it for a long time, but it's from Armani and it's just amazing. My necklace is this super sick chain from Alyx. Little dinner, fall, night outfit. So this is my Valentine's Day date night look, and it was so fun and I just loved putting it on, so I'm excited to wear it again. These stockings I got from Amazon. I think I got them because they like went with a lingerie piece that I bought, but then I was like, you know what, this makes it a little bit more interesting for the rest of the look. So this looks like a dress, but it's actually a top and a skirt, and it's from Jacqueline. Their stuff is so adorable. The earrings are also from them too, so it just makes this glam moment. The straps on this have rhinestones on it too, so everything about this was just like, this was my Valentine's Day look. Then I added these little cute heels from Dior, and of course had to pair it with this pink Dior bag. I also, when I wore this to dinner, I had this Dior black coat that tied everything together because it was obviously like way too cold to just wear this. So it was super chic and we love her. This outfit was a very fun, just running around, casual, cute look. I posted an Instagram photo in this actually. You might have seen it before, but I think it's just super fun and cute. And everyone loved this outfit when I posted a photo. These pants are from Dickies as well. I actually ordered these online. And why I said you should go to an army surplus store is because they have like a lot of different ones. If you just go on Dickies online, they have a very small range. But I found these, which are really cute. I thought they were gonna fit better, but now I just rock them like low-waisted and it's cool. Underneath this vest, I'm wearing this Steele cropped boyfriend button up, which I have been loving layering during this kind of moment. And then again, this vest sweater is from Iguana, which is the thrift store, consignment store, just like really casual and cool. And then the shoes I'm wearing are these Puma sneakers. I actually wore like all white Doc Martens with them at first, but can't really find them right now, so we're wearing these. And then just some silver little earrings. So this look, she is chic, sexy, funky. I haven't worn this one yet, but I've been wanting to. This jacket is from Jean Paul Gaultier. Iconic and so beautiful. This skirt is from Her by Isabella. I'm obsessed with this one. Like, as you can tell, I've been loving browns lately. And this bralette is from Steele. I really wanted like a nude bra because I've been styling all these neutral outfits. So we made one. The shoes are these Aloha boots. These sunglasses are from Giant Vintage. It's just chic and funky and we love it. This look is a matching set from Brixton that is really cool. Has the pants and the jacket, which I was planning on wearing separately, but they look really cute together too, so I did that. And then underneath is this collared sweater top from our Steele spring drop, so make sure to check that out. It's super comfy and lightweight, but it's super cute, so it's perfect for layering like this. My glasses are from Free People. This necklace is from my sister's jewelry brand, Room 13. It's super cute. And then the shoes are from Vagabond. So this is from the Steele Cobalt collection, and this is the vest. The whole entire look is amazing, but I wore it as a full look so many times, so now I'm mixing everything up. So I paired this with these zebra pants, and I've just been really loving fun pants lately and like loose baggy ones. These are from Holiday The Label. My shoes are these Jordan 4s that are blue as well. Blue is my favorite color, so you'll be seeing a lot of that as well. And then the bag that I would carry with this is my Balenciaga, also blue. I'm also wearing the Alyx necklace again. This is my supermodel outfit because I think it's just so flattering and cool. The top and the pants are from Steele, and I just think it fits and looks so amazing on because the shirt has these shoulder pads in it, so it just like really makes you look lifted and tall and strong. And then the pants are just really cool. I cinched the waist with this belt from Missguided. My shoes are from Ader Ackerman. I hope I said that one right. My go-to chain necklace on. That's about it. This is just chic, a little bit Western. So staying with this kind of rock and roll Western vibe, this look is right on point for that. These pants that I'm wearing have that kind of Western feel to them from IMGA. This top is from Holiday The Label as well. It's the same brand as those zebra pants. The jacket is thrifted, but amazing leather. Of course, we're carrying the Steele Axel 2.0 bag with this, and then the same Ader Ackerman shoes that just have this cute little point at them. So this is like a really casual, you can go anywhere in this outfit. So this is my sassy outfit, and this top is probably my favorite thing in my closet right now. I got it at a vintage store as well, but it was really funny. I had seen someone post this online, and then I went to the vintage store and I saw it, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is just meant to be. I have no idea where it's actually originally from, but it says, hello, my name is but it's hilarious, it is cool, and it fits amazing. It's just a really cool piece because it has shoulder pads here, it has a little corset vibe, it's like a blazer, but a top. I'm wearing the Vada bralette underneath it because it's a little bit big. The pants I'm wearing with it, I could wear the Steele latex pants, but these ones are from IMGA. Just wanted to change it up a bit because they're a little bit cropped. And then my shoes are from Balenciaga, and I have worn these to the ground. When you really want to make a statement, this look. So this is a little bit more of a sophisticated outfit, which is interesting because I just threw it on super quickly when I did wear this. It's kind of my life hack of just like putting a blazer and heels on anything, and then it makes it look like you're put together. The pants are Steele vegan leather trousers in the maroon color, and then the shoes I'm wearing are actually my roommate Bella's as well. They are like really beaten up, but they matched this jacket perfectly. This jacket is from RTA. Big fan, love them, they're family. The top is from Steele 2, coming out this spring collection. It's coming out in our second drop. It's coming soon. You know, it's a little bit different colors going on, but I made it an excuse that since the shoes match the jacket, then it works. I'm wearing these Love AJ gold hoops and then just this chain gold necklace that has an A on it, and you're set. You look professional. This is a super comfy but cool look. This sweatsuit is from Boys Lie, and you know I'm obsessed with this right now because it's the brown and it's green, and I just got these new green Jordans, so it goes perfectly. This is just really cool. Like, you look cool doing whatever, no matter what accessories you have, you're gonna look cool in this, so it's a good thing to have in my closet. I'm wearing these sunglasses from, I think it's Bonnie and Clyde. They're pretty cool because it says "Don't look at me" on them, which is how I feel when I have sunglasses on. And I just have my gold hoops, like keeping it cool. This is our comfy, cool look. So into another cozy, comfy, cool look. These pants I'm wearing are from RTA. I think they're super cool. They're this corduroy, and they're baggy, and it has this paper bag kind of waist. If I want to tie them tight, I can pull them up, or I can wear them low-waisted like this. This sweater I took from a friend, and they don't know where it's from, so I'm sorry about that, but it's pretty cool, so I just kind of, you know, wear that. The shoes also aren't mine. They are my roommate Bella's again, but these are Rick Owens. They're not Converse. People get those confused, and when people get these confused with Converse, it's just like, you know. The sunglasses are from Giant Vintage as well, and then I just have some hoops on, you know, keeping it cool and chill. This is my boat pool summer outfit. I actually did wear this before. This is a swimsuit as a top. I'm just wearing a swimsuit underneath it. So it's a high-waisted swimsuit and this like one shoulder top. It's from TJ Swim. And then these pants are so cool. They're from Marco Rambaldi. I've been obsessed with them. The cut, the texture, it's amazing. And they're breathable too, so it's perfect for summer. I'm just wearing these little clear heels. I don't like flip-flops. I still want to look chic, so we're just going with that little simple moment. And I didn't want to put these back on because I already wore them. I don't know how many times, but like, this is the look. This is the look here. My Giant Vintage sunglasses. Then just, you know, gold. This is a whole vibe. Back on the neutrals. Perfect for summer. So last but not least, this is a beautiful dress from O'Nairns. These sunglasses are from Alexander Vautier, which is a very, very cool brand, but you know, they don't work really as sunglasses unless you're only holding your head like this, but they look cute. And just a little bit of gold dainty jewelry plus these hoops. These shoes, these sandals, like I said, like I don't like to wear like flip-flops. So we opt for something like this. And these are from Mista London. That is the look, and those are our outfits. So we didn't quite make it to 21, but the thing is, that's about all of the range my closet has right now, and all the outfits I've been wearing have been very fall inspired because it has been cold and it was fall. In the future, once my closet changes up a little bit and it has more summer, spring clothes, I'll make sure to do another video like this for you guys, just a little update. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think, which outfit was your favorite, and what else you want to see from me next. Thanks for watching, bye.